Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be about how to do winged eyeliner for hooded eyes. So as you can see, I have rolly hooded eyes. The extra fold on my eyes is the hooded area. So if I draw a winged eyeliner like normally, it always makes my eyes look droopy. And we always want our eyes to look up and lifted. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I will be using the gel eyeliner, but you can use whatever type of eyeliner you have. You can either use gel or liquid. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to mark the least hooded area of my eyes with my gel eyeliner. First of all, you need to look straight into a mirror so that you can carve out the least hooded area in your eyes. Now that I have mapped out my least hooded area, I'm going to be drawing a line towards my lash line. This is for me to know exactly where my wing will fall. So when you look straight, this is something what you should have right now. As you can see, when I look up, you can still see those lines. If you can't see those lines, it means that you've drawn too deep into your hood. So make sure that you can see those lines when you look straight into a mirror. So now I'm just going to connect the outer part of it because that's where the wing will end. And now fill in all the empty spaces. So this is something you'll end up with. And now I'm just going to draw in my winged line. Make sure to use baby strokes and take your time with it. Now that we have the wing, just connect the box to the wing that we just made. As you can see, we can still see the wing when we look straight into the mirror. So now let's move on to the inner part of the eye. It's very easy to go overboard and make the inner part of the eye thick. So we need to make it really super thin so that we can see the wing eyeliner properly. Okay, so to start off, I think it's best to go closest to your lash line as possible, as this will help us to not go overboard with the inner part of our eyes and not go too thick. If you go too thick with the inner parts of your eye, you won't be able to see your eyeliner. Now that you've got your base done, you can go in and increase the thickness of the eye. Also, make sure to continuously look straight into the mirror so that you know you're not going overboard. Now that I'm done with the inner part of the eyes, I'm going to focus on the outer part and smoothen down the edges. Now I'm just going to pull my inner corners since I like the cat eye effect. Now that that's done, I'm going to be tight lining my eyes to make sure that there's no skin peeking through. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara since I desperately need them and I have non-existent lashes. Now you can stop there, but I'm going to put on some false eyelashes. I definitely feel that false eyelashes tie up the entire look together. And there you have it, a basic wing eyeliner for hooded eyes. I hope you all found some tips and tricks useful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.